Hey friends, it's Mike, the Hi-Fi Insider. Today I'm very excited to share with you a brand new product from Koss. This is the famous Porta Pro, but in wireless form. Now this is the wireless 2.0, so it's the latest generation, and I really love that they did not change the classic design of the Porta Pro. Today we're going to take a look around the box, unbox it, and see what's inside, and also take you a tour around the product. I love Koss because they've been around for a long time. I would put them with Bose, Klipsch, just very iconic company, and they've been making headphones before I was even born. So a lot of history there. So I'm really excited that they are still around and they are making their products look vintage, but with modern technologies. So let's go ahead and unwrap it first. I'll need my trusty blade. Here you can see a picture of the headphone. Now these aren't sold in stores that I am aware of. You can buy them on Amazon, and sometimes I'm sure Amazon will put them on sale. If you want to support the channel, please use our Amazon referral link. It really helps out the channel. So on the bottom here tells you some information about the warranty, and then on the side here the frequency response 60 ohms driver with a 4-foot cable, so you can use it with the wire in a wired mode with USB-C and USB-C charging. So that's pretty cool. You get the USB-C to 3.5 millimeter jack, so you can you don't always have to use it in wireless form. So on the back here it shows you about 20 hours of playback for the battery, and of course wired is unlimited. So it's nice that you can use it without the battery in wired mode. So onboard microphone, and then here's a story about Koss's history. So take a look online. I'll put a link in the description for you guys. So here's a message about the Porta Pro. Here's the instruction booklet. Oh, it's all pictures, so that's very nice. Easy to understand. You don't have to read anything. And then here's the USB Type-C cable for charging. So you use your your old Apple 5-watt little brick if you still got them around. Here's the USB-C to stereo jack, and this is just the regulation stuff, I think. So here's the start of the show. You get a nice case for it. This is exactly the same as the original. Maybe a little bit improved with the headband, but looks really retro. Goes well with my retro Sony Walkman. You guys remember these? Now this is wireless, so got the modern way. These pads can be removed and replaced. Quick tour around the product here. So there's a slider for the fitment. You want a tighter fit or looser fit, and then when you fold them up, you can hook them up like this, so they stay together. It's very cool. Nice metal band. Of course, you want to make sure you get the left and the right. You have your USB-C for charging, and then you have the Bluetooth control to power volume up and down. And of course, when you turn it on, it's going to start pairing. So I'm going to, of course, I can't use it with my Sony Walkman, but I do have my Estelle & Kern, if you guys remember this guy. This is the AK120. This was the player, the music player that actually took up against the iPod. So this is a high-end music player with Bluetooth, so I'm going to pair it up with the Koss. So I'm going to use these for a little bit, and I'll report back to you on my thoughts on how they function and how they sound. Thanks for watching. See you again next time. Bye bye.